Today we have an exciting AI tool that is made for creating the AI influencer, where you can change the pose of your influencer, can make her smile. You can even generate the videos for your influencer. So each and everything is customizable here. The tool that I am talking about is called the Synth Life. This is all in tool and this is very simple. Straightforward to use. First of all, we have to create the face of our influencer. And to create a good face, you have to give it some celebrity names. Let's say I am going to type like Catherine Kelly and the hair color will be red. After all, hit save button. Now this will start creating the face of your inlane. Okay, so this is the final output. If you don't like this image, again click to on this update button and this will regenerate the face of your answer. Now the next process is to creating the images. Here we have different options like Autogenerate, Photo Studio, Image Clone. So first of all, we're going to try the Photo Studio. And inside of the Photo Studio, here you can type clothing and dress. And you can even define the background or the place. So in the clothing section, I am going to type blue jacket. In background will be morning time. If you to make a smile, you can click on this smile button. And in the post section, I would like to go with the random and the number of images will be 5 and the aspect ratio will be 1 by 1. So I am going to hit generate. Okay, so here we have the images. So this is the first image. Look that. You can see the screen texture. It looks really good. And the best things that we have the same character. It may look different because of the different poses and different lighting conditions. But this is the same character. All of these images in our influencer. It looks very natural. We don't have any funkiness going on with eyes. And the facial features looks really good. Alright. If you are lazy person like me and you don't want to specify any prompt and clothing, you can try auto generate feature. Here you just have to click on this generate button and this will automatically generate clothes with the random poses and even add the location for that. And here we also have NSFW filter, but I am going to turn it off. Okay, so here is the output results. And you can see it automatically generated 7 different images with different poses, different environments and different clothes. And in all of these images the character looks similar. You can see the quality is really good in this image. So you can also try auto generate if you don't want to type any prompt. But let's say if you have any pose and if you want to copy the pose of any image, you also have that option. And here you have to upload the reference image. So let's going to try this image. And the number of images will be 4. And next we have the creativity slider. You can also play around with this one, but I would like to keep it default and hit generate. Okay, so these are the output images and look at that. She is exactly matching the pose of the input image. But also the dress and the couch color, you can see everything is looking really similar. If you found this video helpful and learned something new, please like it. Also support my channel with a super thanks.